NSCC break. This is going to be NSCC number 77. Skybox Metal U, 3-box break, random letter style. We are going to head over to random.org to determine your guys' spots in the break. Here we go. All right. There is 13 total spots in the break, you guys. 13 total spots. Going to start by rolling the virtual dice to determine your guys' spots. Again, if I land on Snake Eyes, I default to 3 times. Here we go. All right, 2 and 3 is 5. 5 times in the random. Here we go. 1, 2, 5 times, right? 2, 3, 5, 3, 4, and 5. K plus N and F at the bottom. All right, guys, that's 5 times in the random. 2, 3, 5. All right, there is the list of letters. Here we go. 5 times for your names. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. 5 times. All right, PK and Bane at the bottom. By the way, Bane, appreciate you grabbing those last couple spots in the break, selling it out. All right, guys, there is your letters. I'm going to get right into it, y'all. Let's get right into it. Nobody trades letters. Let's get right into it. Here we go. All right, everybody, welcome back to Mojobreak.com again. This is NSCC number 77, 2022, Skybox Metal Universe 3-box break, random letter style. Here we go, baby. Good luck. Good luck. 3-box break. NSCC number 77. There we go. All right, a little better. Here we go. Good luck, you guys. Good luck, y'all. By the way, appreciate you guys all again. Thank you guys all for grabbing spots in the break. Only got one more break to fill, you guys. It's going to be that Don Russ Racing. Oh. Hey, maybe you're right, dude, to be honest. Maybe you're right, because this dude seems to be overwhelming him a little bit, to be honest. Pereira's going to be a good buy low, though. He takes his L. All right, man, let's get one of these big autos, y'all. Is that Portier one next? Let's go, baby. Pull the Let's Go from Topps Chrome. Good luck, everybody, in the break. Good luck. Let's pull one of those big autos. Come on. Man, these are some of the hardest packs in the game to open, for real. All right, good luck, you guys. Here we go. First box of the break. Good luck, y'all. All right. There is a Jackson Holiday. Marcelo Mayer. There is a Looking to the Future Colin Morikawa for the C spot. 2,500 degrees Tiger for the T spot. Tiger Woods. Christian Hernandez. CJ Stroud. Malik Willis. There's that Kayla Williams. Precious Metal Gem. Drew Jones to 25. That's a sick hit. PMG, Drew Jones for the D spot. Congratulations. Ryan P. The classic, the timeless PMG. Congratulations again. All right, here we go. On to the next one. Come on, baby. Let's get an auto. Anybody else watching UFC right now? There's a Shaden Sharp. Z-Force. Michael Foster. There's a Jacob Gonzalez. Dyson Daniels, Z-Force. Armando Cruz. Nikola Jovic. DJ Ugalele. Oh! Oh, boy. Miles. Oh. He better be careful, man. Marcelo Mayer. Another one. PMG. Nolan Hickman. A bonus out of 100. Oh, man. What a fight so far. Here we go, Alex. My guy. PMG to 100. Nolan Hickman for the end spot. PK. Die cut. Cut above Ken Griffey Jr. All right, you guys. Closing out that first box. Good luck, everybody. Second box coming up. Here we go. By the way, if you guys have not already, go grab your spot in NASCAR. If you guys are interested, it is a 10-box break. Don Russ NASCAR 10-box break. Those boxes are loaded, you guys. Downtowns in Don Russ. I think the other huge chase is called the Whiplash. Let's go ahead and fill that break up again. If you guys are interested, link for NASCAR is third from the bottom. If you guys are interested, go check it out. It is also part of our NSCC breaks, you guys. Any NSCC breaks you guys buy into automatically get you a spot into the grand prize of $10,000 in site credit, y'all. Go grab your spots. Sorry, guys. Give me 1 second here. Good luck, y'all. Box number 2. Good luck, good luck. Oh, snap. There's a Bryce Young, Caleb Williams. Auto, Isaiah Spiller for the I spot. Isaiah. Congratulations to the I spot. That is going to Grimes, 19. Congratulations, Grimes. There we go. Isaiah Spiller. Non-numbered. There's a Scoot Henderson. There's a die cut looking to the future. Drew Jones, Z-Force. Kenneth Walker. There's a Shaden Sharp for the S spot. PMG, Bryce McGowan's green. Ooh, 10 of 10. There we go, baby. Congratulations to the B spot. I think this is the lowest PMG I've hit so far. B, who's got him? JNP, congratulations. Bryce McGowan's 10 of 10. Last one stamped as well. All right. Let's keep it moving here. Z-Force, Bryce Young. There's the CJ Stroud. Fresh Foundations. Will Zalatoris. Intimidation Nation. Asar Thompson for the A spot. Z-Force. Jeremy Shohan. 2,500. Roderick Arias. Jackson Holiday. Jackson Holiday insert. Another Fresh Foundations. Kendall Brown. Bryce McGowan's again. There's a Treylon Burks. All right. A cut above Roderick Arias for the R spot. Cut above Roderick Arias. Excuse me, guys. Sorry, 1 second. There we go. A cut above a die cut. Congratulations, Roderick Arias. Those are pretty sick inserts, actually. There's another Bryce McGowan's. Bryce Young. Caleb Williams. C-spot. Malik Willis and another Bryce Young. All right, guys. Last box of the break. Here we go. Here we go. Good luck. Good luck, y'all. No. Oh my God, he's down. I mean, nothing's really happening. He just got him down. It's only 3 rounds, dude. That sucks. He's probably just gonna hold him on the ground, to be honest. Yeah, this is stupid. Man, this ending sucks. Alex is? What was the song he walked out to? That's funny. Man, come on, Alex. You thought you was Kobe? They'll low you like that. Oh, man. Last box mojo. Good luck, y'all. Here we go. Oh, man. Pereira's good, though. He's got a lot of work to do, though. That's for sure. Good luck, y'all. Here we go. PMG Ken Griffey Jr. to 100 for the K spot. PK, congratulations. PMG Precious Metal Gem, the timeless Precious Metal Gem. Looking to the future, Caleb Williams. Really? Oh. Scoop. Jackson Holiday. Darius Garland. That is to 150 for the D spot. Congratulations. Kenny Pickett. Jeremy Shohan. Scoot Henderson. CJ Stroud. Auto, Brian Acuna for the B spot. Wow. I don't know about that, though. I mean, it seemed like he had a good amount of significant strikes, but I don't know. I was kind of halfway paying attention. Adrian Griffin. Bryce Young. 2,500 degrees. Scoot Henderson. That is non-numbered. Scoop, 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 scoop. Looking to the future, Diego Jota. Caleb Williams. Tiger Woods. Shane Sharp. And Jahan Dotson. All right, you guys, that was the break. Once again, thank you guys all for tuning in. That was NSCC number 77, 2022 Skybox Metal Universe. 3-box break, random